In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all my picture from Google Drive to Proton Drive. We're going to move your photos in a simple, reliable way using your web browser. First, open Google Drive and navigate to the folder that contains the pictures you want to move. Take a second to confirm it has everything you need, since whatever is inside this folder will be what gets transferred. With the folder open, look for the download icon near the top of the page. Click it to start the download. Google Drive will package the entire folder into a single zip file. Depending on the size of your photos and your internet speed, this may take a while, so it's perfectly normal to see a preparing or compressing message. When the zip finishes downloading, open your computer's Downloads folder or wherever your browser saved it. Create a new, clearly named folder to keep things organized, then move the zip into that folder. Right-click the zip and choose Extract, or use your system's built-in unzip tool, and extract everything into the new folder you just made. Wait for extraction to complete before moving on. This ensures your photos are accessible as normal files and folders, not locked inside the zip. Next, head to Proton Drive in your browser. Once you're in, click the New button. From the options that appear, choose Upload Folder. This is important because it keeps your album or folder structure intact, making your photos easier to find later. In the file picker that opens, select the folder you extracted from the zip, then click Open to begin the upload. Keep the browser tab active until the upload finishes. Larger folders may take time, and you'll see progress indicators as files are encrypted and sent to the cloud. When the upload completes, open the folder in Proton Drive to spot check a few images and confirm everything looks good. That's it. You've successfully moved your pictures from Google Drive to Proton Drive while preserving your folder organization.